Hi there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will walk you through on how to create a GIF in Photoshop. So just a heads up, I don't have any images to make an animation here in Photoshop. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you to the steps on how to create a GIF in Photoshop. Now to begin, open Photoshop and create a new document with the dimension you want for your GIF. Make sure it's suitable for your animation. Now next is import the images you want to include in your GIF. You can do this by going to File, here, File, and then locate the scripts, hover your mouse over scripts. A submenu will open and you need to choose load files into stock. Now once you choose load files into stock, a new window will pop up and then you will have to choose the image you want and click OK. Now after choosing the images you want to add, go to Window, here, and then locate the timeline options. So it will open the animation timeline here. Now in the timeline panel, click on the Create Frame Animation button. And then once you're done clicking on Create Frame Animation, to add frames to your animation, click on the New Frame button in the timeline. Make sure each frame corresponds to one of your images. You can rearrange frames by dragging them. And then, to control the speed of your GIF, click on each frame and set the desired delay time in seconds. This will determine how quickly your frames change. Now we have an option here to click on play. You can click play button in the timeline to preview your GIF. Make any necessary adjustments to the frame delays or frame order until you're satisfied with the animation. And that's it. You now know how to create a GIF in Photoshop. It's a simple yet effective way to bring your images to life with animation. Before you go, remember to get creative with your GIFs. Experiment with different images and frame timings to make your animations truly unique. Thanks for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a GIF in Photoshop. See you on my next video.